All right, on today's episode, we're going to show you how we went from this absolute clustered mess to All right, no more procrastination. We are going to get this project started today. Obviously, we tore apart the RX7, we put it back together, we did the fun stuff. Now comes the part no one likes to deal with, which is cleaning up the mess. So we're going to go move the turbo Porsche, get that out of the way, and we're going to get started. She's looking pretty good, but we can't get too distracted. We gotta get back to work. All right, now that we got the car pulled out of the way, we can really see the situation we have at hand. We just got this new tool chest. We're gonna have to place it where this shelving unit is. We're gonna have to move some things around, but let's get to it. Well, we got it moved. Kind of heavy. We had to take some of the things off, but putting it back together. Gonna have to do some organizing on the shelf, but we also got the tool chest in place. Really happy with that. I think this is gonna work out awesome. Still got a lot of cleaning to do, but we're making a good chunk of progress. All right, well, it is later today. It is starting to get dark out, and we need to take advantage of as much daylight as we can. Still got a lot of work to do, but I'm sure some of you guys are wondering what the hell this is over here behind this dog blanket. This is her way of hiding a Christmas present. Leave in the comments below. Let me know, what do you think it is? Because I have no clue. The only thing I can think of is she thinks this is like Harry Potter with an invisibility cloak. Anyway, yeah, we got some of the oil lined up there. I think that'll look pretty good. Table's still an absolute mess. It's still a catastrophe. The RX7 is back together, the table's still a mess. All right, we got most of the tools moved over to the new tool chest. I don't really want to bore you guys going line by line, but we're going to fast forward through some of this, and I'll do my best to narrate. We got like screwdriver, scissors, wrenches, electrical stuff, electronics tuning, sockets, batteries, O-rings, tools you don't use all the time, power tools, a bunch of other stuff. Yeah. All right, still got progress to make, but I wanted to make a little side note. I've been a huge Gretty fan for a long time, and they're obviously making a pretty big resurgence. They are collaborating with PRP and RTech and making manifolds and kits for the RB platform. I think it's great. I'd love to see them come into the Rotary world as well, so hopefully that happens in the future. All right, well, it's the next day. It's getting cold, man. New England is definitely getting a little chilly. I think we're in the 30s today. But anyway, we got to get back at it. Maybe when we grow a little bit more, we can put one of those Mr. Cool It DIY heating units in here. But until then, we wear a couple layers and we stay warm. Anyway, got the tool chest pretty much organized. Got a whole pile more of recycling and trash over there. Today's goal is get this table cleaned, get this little ledge over here cleaned, organize all of this. It's a cluttered mess, and I want to make sure that when the next project comes, we have space. All right, I know I'm referencing another shorts, but we do a ton of those here, and just mention those. But essentially, I made a short video at Home Depot telling you guys, go buy these, and I stand by that. Obviously, there's Milwaukee, there's a bunch of other companies making these, but DeWalt makes them. They're $12, they're cheap. I mean, you have a ton of bolts. Look at this top left. That is strictly RX7 bolts, clips, washers, whatever. I'm just doing this to organize everything. I got my car stuff on the left. I got a bunch of home type of screws here, deck screws, cement screws, lag bolts, deck screws, whatever. They're just really useful. All right, so it is dark now. We've been at this for a good couple hours, but I think we made a ton of progress, right? Everything kind of looks orderly. You can actually see the tabletop. It's awesome. You can see some of the projects I've been working on. A little radiator shroud design, and this wing right here came off of a buddy of mine. He crashed his car. I was trying to repair it, but anyway. All right, I think we're going to call it there. We've been at it for a couple days now. A ton of hours, ton of sweat equity. I'd say we're probably like 90% there. My thing is, never let perfection get in the way of good. We've made a ton of progress. Again, it's coming along. We just literally tore apart a car and put it back together. So the fact we're able to sit at a tabletop and we got all the tools organized and everything's coming along is awesome. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching. I know this video is not going to be a top trending video, but just wanted to document the process, show you guys how I do it. If you have any tips or tricks of how you organize your setup, put it down in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, if you could just like, comment, subscribe. If you have any feedback, let me know. But I'm going to try to get more content out to you guys during the holidays and get this channel rolling. See you on the next one.